Hi, I'm Ria and today I'll be introducing the Willow in purple and green. Now, we recently launched the Willow in sunshine yellow, but we have now released it in another new colour. Now, if you look in the shops at the moment, and if you're shopping online, colour blocking is extremely in at the moment. It's very on trend, and purple and green is a great combination. You've got so many different ways you can style it. And when we had our ladies planning meeting, I said, please can we have purple and green together because it's such a great combination. So let me show you on the close-up the Willow. I'll just let that focus. So what a fantastic colour combination right there. You've got the block heel, which we always say a blocked heel is a great support. If you can't walk in heels, we always recommend starting with a blocked heel. And you've got the open toe at the front. Again, great for summer. Obviously, as it gets a little bit cooler, still looks good with some tights. We have worn these with tights on our shoots and it does look really good. You've got a great support here, and again, like most of our shoes, they've got a little dainty buckle, which is easy to use. So that is the Willow. Styling wise, you can just kind of pick the different colours out of the shoes. Like we've said, colour blocking is a great thing and it is very much a trend at the moment. That'll look really nice with a nice summer dress. If you're taking them to work, they'll look great with some trousers, some jeans. You can really go to town with styling these. Very fun and just all round great shoe really. So those are the Willows, and they are available at www.modshoes.co.uk.